Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to compare two different air compressor. We are doing unboxing and test it out, and these one been bought on eBay. Both have different look and different functions in there. Price for the Goodyear one is $19.99 and this one is actually cheaper. This one is $12.49 on eBay. This one claimed to have a lifetime warranty, and this is a fully automated, and it will inflate your tire within 1 minute if it's a total flat. So we're going to test it out that if they are telling the truth. So let's jump into the unboxing first. So both of them have a different description in there. This one says a single cylinder air pump, volt 12 volt DC, and power is 100 watt and max current 10 ampere. Air pressure is 150 psi, flow 30 liter per minute, and this one have a 3-meter cord with the air hose length is 50 centimeter, and this one says 250 psi, and this one have a 3 nozzle attachment, and this one have a 3-meter cord as well. That's supposed to be a good one, but this one is a old style analog one, and this one is a more like a digital one there. So, and this one also have some attachment with this one, but this one did not say this one is digital or pointer, because both side there's a different pictures in there. So this is a multifunctional. There's only few buttons in there. So so let's put that one on the side first, and first of all we are going to open up this one. It's just like that. There's no packing and no nothing. It's just simple, just like that. It's simple corded. This one actually have a 3-meter length cable in there, and open like that. You can see through the item. There's a V motor in there, and this is and this one have a air pressure meter in there, which is analog, and the hose is just like that one, like old style one, and there's some paperwork underneath. It's just a V2 pages booklet, some information in there, and how to troubleshoot and operate, stuff like that. And there's a few attachments. So one of them for the balls and other one is for the inflatable stuff. So this is that one. Let's open up the other one. Let's open up this one. So this one is packing is slightly different. This one have a cellophane on, and this one also have multifunctional car air pump instruction manual. This is thank you for using our product, some information in there, same like the other one. So this one is actually a digital one. So this one have a light inside as well. It will work when you are plug into your 12 volt socket. So this one have a LED light, power button. There's a few buttons to adjust the air pressure, and reset button, I guess. And this one have cable, not around like the other one is quite messy. This one you can just put inside there, just like that. Keep it tidy. And there's a charger there, and put that on the side. And there's also 3-meter cable, and there's one extra fuse, I guess, in there. There's a fuse there, and there's some attachment, same like other one, but the other one don't have a extra fuse in there. So both made in China, and cannot see stuff in there. Everything parked behind this one, like the other one you can see through. And let's jump into the car, plug in, and we're going to inflate one of the tire and see. They will inflate your tire with the 1 minute. So let's test it out. We'll take both of them and we'll test it out, both of them. So guys, I have connected the power cable and I'm going to test it out. First one. So as you can see, this tire is totally flat. So I'm going to test this one out first. So with a new compressor, so I'm going to connect this one. So this one is not a screw one, so I have to put it there just like that, and then just like that it will attach. I like the screw one. You can just tighten the screw and it will fill up everything. So as you can see, this one only have a 14 psi, and I usually keep to 39 40. So I will put to I will do the 40, and then I think I have to press this one and start working. So as they claim, we will fill up within 1 minute, but it took roughly 3 minutes to fill up. So that's total lie. They cannot, as you can see, it will not fill up within 1 minute. It take more than 1 minute. And the second thing is, if you taking that out, as I did, I will take some of the air out, as you can see. So I don't like this kind of attachment. I need the screw one. So as you can see in here, this is already on 37 while I'm taking this thing out. So I need to refill again. So far it is a good product. Is fill up the tire within 3 minutes, not 1 minute, but it's quite handy. There's a light in there as well. We'll test it out. Quite bright if you are doing some work in night time, so that's quite handy actually. And it's a good one, automated stop. So let's test it out, the other one, to the other side tire. So guys, I'm going to test it out, the Goodyear one. So this one I have to connect this one with the tire, because this don't have actual power button on. So while you connect this switch to the power socket, it will start working. And let's test it out. I have connected that. So to stop this one, you have to power off, take the plug out and unplug this one. There's no actual button on there, but this one is also a good one. This front tire have enough air in there, was nearly 40, so did not take so much time in there. So guys, this is my honest opinion and my review. This is my personal review. I prefer the black one. So this one is more messier, as you can see. While you are holding, taking up, it will just falling from your hand because of this pipe, because it is quite, you can see, is a bit heavier and is just falling. And quite even is a Goodyear one, quite cheap quality, and the price is $19.99, and compared to this one, price is only $12.45 on eBay. And this one have a power button, this one have a LED light, this one have a digital meter in there. You can adjust the air pressure you like, and it will stop when it's filled up to there. And you have to keep an eye on this one all the time, how much air is going in there. With the digital meter is hard to read as well in there with the pointer. And also this one is more tidier. You can put everything inside in there. There's a place in there. And also the cord for the air is much longer than the Goodyear one. So both are the Chinese make, and I feel this one is more better quality than the Goodyear one, and it's a wee bit bigger, but it's look tidier, and there's a few extra option in there. So if you're buying any of these, test it out and let me know in the comments what you thought about these two different products. So my opinion, I like the black one better. There's no name for this product, but I like this one more good quality one seems like. And at least this one have a few extra option to easy to use instead of the Goodyear one. Both of them do the same job. It will fill up your car tire with without any problem. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and I will see you in next video. Thank you very much for watching.